everyone, Elvira. Everybody's been asking me for a deviled egg, and it's real simple. I just boiled 12 eggs. I'll show you how I cut them. We have some Miracle Whip Light, seasoned salt, pepper, and of course my Hungarian paprika. That's it. So let's get chopping away. I'm gonna wash my hands here. And this is an easy one too. I always put them on a plate. And I use an egg beater to get that really smooth. And I use a smasher too. Yeah, a friend of mine from school is watching now, and I'm dedicating this to her. And she was asking me for a healthy egg, deviled eggs, and I thought I'd show it to her. And stuff. Her and I hooked up after just recently started talking a lot, and we have a lot of the same beliefs and stuff, and it's sort of nice to hook up with friends from school, that you grew up with and things like that. Use that. Put that here. Had a good workout today. Did my circuit. Everybody was laughing. They were saying, everybody's like, get to work, telling their clients. And I was like, yeah, but you're not as bad as mine. And they're like, nah, you do all the crazy stuff. And I do. And there's days it's like, I really don't want to do it, but I do it. Not a lot of calories in this either. And the funny part is I'll take these to a party. There's a ton of people. And they'll bring eggs. Mine always go quick. It seems like mine goes the quickest. 18. I made sure. 2. That's pretty easy. And you get 24 and you make a half, and I usually when I count the calories, I go as a half because that's what you usually get, and if you have more than one, that's fine, but you know what it is on the one. So let me get my masher. That's what I like about things that are quick and easy. It's pretty cool. It's been one heck of a day, but you just go like this. And you're just going to season with seasoned salt and pepper to taste. And you're only going to use 5 tablespoons of Miracle Whip. That's it. That's what it looks like, because you're going to mix it with an egg beater. I always use an egg beater. And I just season this shake, rattle, and roll like that. And I use a little bit of Hungarian paprika in this. That's what it looks like so far. Then I'll grab a tablespoon here. And I opened up one because I know I don't have 5 tablespoons in this. I'm pretty sure I don't. I know I don't. Because that made me some last week. 1. This is my snack. 2. 3. And that's what I like about, I make them as a snack. Sometimes I'll make them as a side meal. It's just pretty easy. 4, 5. egg beater out. This off. I always keep a dish soap water all day, every day. Clean water, 2 or 3 times a day I switch it. But I'm always doing dishes, so I probably do it more than that. But sometimes if I'll leave it sit in the sink and I don't use it, I'll put fresh in. But I always have a sink of water and dish soap all the time. Okay, we're just gonna go like that. So now I just take a teaspoon and I start filling. I just like that the egg beater gets it very smooth. That's what I like about it. Just fills it better. And then, see how I garnish them. And then I garnish them too. And you just keep, you fill them. And I like the teaspoon because it does fill it really well. And I noticed when I started using the egg beater, it just made it really smooth and they fill a lot better. And that's what I like about them. I think that's why my eggs might go, because when you get a deviled egg sometimes from people, it's not really filled. Well, mine are. And I think that's why people like them, because they're actually filled. They're not halfway filled, So... And then, let's see here. And then it's pretty easy. And then I just put them in a container, like whatever kind of container you can find. Put them in the refrigerator and stuff. And that's what I do. See, that's the thing. You're really getting them filled. And that's the idea when you get an egg. When I get a deviled egg, I want it to be filled. I don't want it to be half filled, or I want a good filling in there. And one more to fill. And then what I do, boots, get out of there. And then what I do is I fill them with, I just garnish them with paprika. And then, let me wash my hands. That's what they look like. And then I stick them in a container. And I'll stick them in a nice container and put them in the refrigerator. That's what they look like. And the calorie count is pretty cool. The calories are 43.17 for 1/2, 0.72 fat, 2.81 protein 3. So this is for a half. A half is the calories is 43.17, carbs is 0.72, fat is 2.81, and protein 3. I mean, it's easy. And there you have 24 of them, and I just garnished them like that. And then I stick them in the refrigerator, and they'll be nice and cold, and whenever I want a deviled egg or a side snack or whatever, I got something. God bless everyone. I'll see you soon. Have a nice rest of the week, and I'll see you this weekend. Bye.